Now let's try some problem solving. So again, what I did is I rewrote the setup of our solving percent problems using a proportion. So remember, part over whole equals percent over 100, and I've been using these three highlighter colors. And just a quick review, whenever you're reading some word problems, the part sometimes is linked to the word is, and whole is often found around the word of. So let's read number one. The percent of pure gold in 14 karat gold is 58.3%. If a 14 karat gold ring weighs 5.6 grams, about how many grams of pure gold are in the ring? Now, one thing I want you to keep in mind, I'm not going to do anything with this 14 karat gold. It's just telling me what kind of gold it is. Okay, but we have a percent here, and I know how much it weighs, 5.6 grams. So the percent of pure gold in 14 karat gold is about 58.3. Okay, if a 14 karat gold ring weighs this many grams, how many grams of pure gold are in there? So here's what we're going to set up. Now let's set up first, I'm just going to set up the proportion real quick, just so that we have that ready to go. Now, one thing that we know automatically is the percent. So we're going to put this number over the 100. So we have 58.3. Excuse me. Now, the ring weighs 5.6 grams. The whole ring weighs this much. So the whole ring weighs 5.6. So I'm actually going to highlight this yellow. Okay. So notice I don't have the word is or of right next to 5.6, but it says if a 14 karat gold ring weighs this much. That's the entire ring, the whole thing. So that's how I figured out the 5.6 is going to go down here. So we actually know two of the three numbers. Remember, the 100 is always here. So I found two of the three numbers. So we're looking for what is the amount of pure gold. What's the grams for that? So that is our variable. So I'll put x here. And we're going to cross multiply for the cross products. We get 100x equals 5.6 times 58.3. Now be careful, if you need to put a tiny x here, just don't get all your decimals and your dot for your product mixed up. So just make sure you remember what those numbers were. Divide by 100, and I'm going to type all of this into my calculator. If you're still writing and need to catch up, feel free to pause the video. Let me grab my calculator. So we're going to type in 5.6 times 58.3 divided by 100. So this is how many grams are pure gold from the entire ring. So 3.2648. So we can put 3.2648 grams. Now we could just round that to approximately 3.3 grams. Oops. Sorry about that. Started writing too fast. If I were to round that 2 up because of the 6. So that is about how many grams of pure gold there is in that ring.